Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when call sound is too loud in AirPods 3 Pro. I had this problem guys, and I now know how to fix it, and I want to share with you. So at the very beginning I suggest you to disable the Siri call announcing, just because Siri is too loud, and if you have this feature enabled, I suggest you to disable it, because unfortunately no way to make Siri not too loud. I don't find it. But when you disabled Siri call announcing, now we can disable just our calls volume. To do that, we should open settings again, and here find sounds and haptics. Here we have ringtone and alerts. Of course, if you decrease ringtone sound, ringtone volume, it will be a bit quieter, but this sound will be softer, but not only on in headphones, but on speaker too. So we don't want it. So we should scroll a bit down and find here headphone safety. And in headphone safety, we should enable reduce loud audio and just make it a bit quieter, for example to 90 decibels. And it's really cool feature, because it will make not only call volume a bit quieter, but it will make everything a bit quieter. For example, screamers will not be too loud, and other things too, but it will not affect the volume in music, for example. So that's it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and bye, see you.